All right, what we're looking at today is a Star Trek The Next Generation medical tricorder. This is the one you saw Dr. Crusher and other medical staff using aboard the Enterprise D. Um, this one I picked up in Star Trek Las Vegas when I was there in 2025. It was in the dealer's room. It was along with some other props. It was looking very terrible. I mean, it was beat up, it was in pieces, but I fell in love with it. So I bought it, brought it back home, didn't know really what to do with it or how to get started on it. So I contacted a very good friend of mine, Eric Nagy. I'll send a link, I'll put a link to him in this video somewhere. Um, he's a member of our board, of our page. He does amazing work with props. He does amazing work with stuff you wouldn't think could work again. He turned this back into something I really love. All right, now let's get to it. Take a little look at it. This is a Stapleton kit. Stapleton. That's been modified and painted and looks amazing now. All right, so let's open it up. See if it'll sit on the stand in the open position. I don't believe it will. There we go. And then the top scanner is detachable. It's held in by a magnet, and it has the lights in there as well. And then this unit also has lights. Beautiful, beautiful prop. Thanks to Star Trek Las Vegas 2025 and Eric Nagy. I've actually paired it. I paired this tricorder with a beautiful stand from Michael Moore, and it's a Roddenberry Legacy. It's a tricorder stand, and it was from Roddenberry.com. And I got it from Michael Moore. And now I have a place to display my beautiful tricorder on a beautiful display base. I forgot to mention, before I go any further, that the tricorder actually has a few other functions. It has a, if I can find the button, and then okay, you can leave it like that, and then if you wanted to, you could display it with just the lights and without that sound going on. I think there's another button up here that actually turns that off. I just can't seem to locate it. Anyway, I think my battery's getting a little low. Anyway, that's my Star Trek The Next Generation medical Stapleton tricorder I got at Star Trek Las Vegas in 2025 with the help of Eric Nagy. He made it beautiful. Yeah, I think the battery's getting bad. Someone changed the battery out here. But look at this beautiful thing. There we go. All right, thanks for tuning in.